My colleague Tejinder, who's joining us at this point in time from Jammu. Tejinder, what exactly are you picking up as far as the co-commander level talks are concerned? Because it's hugely significant. Second time that there's co-commander level talks are taking place. As far as the agenda is concerned, are you picking up anything?
Shravan, this is a very crucial meeting that is right now underway in Moldo, which is on the Chinese side. If you remember, on 6th of June, a similar meeting did take place, which was attended from the Indian side by Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, who is the Corps Commander of the Leh-based 14th Corps of the Army. But we have been told, we are speaking to the sources, though right now there is no official word what the Indian stand would be. But yes, in no uncertain term, the Indian side would convey to the Chinese counterpart that you not only violated the previous agreements which both the sides had reached, these agreements that were signed from 1993 to 2013. There were 5 such agreements which ensured that there is peace and tranquility on the line of actual control between the Indian side and the Chinese side. On 6th of June, when Lieutenant General Harinder Singh met his counterpart in the very same location, he conveyed it to the Chinese side that you have violated all those 5 agreements. So both these sides at that time, they agreed that it was the need of the hour to de-escalate the situation, and the Chinese side also accepted that they will be moving back, they will be removing their whatever the structure they have enacted at the Galwan Valley, they will be removing that and they will be moving back. So this was the agreement that was reached. But unfortunately, the Chinese side, they backtracked from the agreement. First, they removed the tent which they had enacted, and after 2 days, they once again they placed that tent very same location once again. So when the Indian side, the Indian side, they went to the Chinese counterpart to tell them that you have violated the June 6 agreement. So this violent face-off took place in which 20 of our brave hearts, they were martyred, and more than 40 on the Chinese side, they were killed. Today, when both the corps commanders, they will be meeting. Right now, the meeting is still on. So we are told that Lieutenant General Harinder Singh will convey to his counterpart, the Chinese counterpart, that see, you not only violated the previous agreement, but you also violated the June 6 agreement which both the sides had reached to ensure that there is de-escalation on the line of actual control, both the sides. So clearly the Indian side is going fully equipped with all the proofs, all the agreements which have been signed, and in no uncertain terms, the Chinese side will be told that we don't want any confrontation, we want peace, we want to ensure that all the agreements which have been signed by the Indian and the Chinese side to ensure that there is peace and tranquility on the line of actual control. Because we know that in the past as well, there have been many instances of transgression into each other's territory. We know that this happened in the Ladakh area, wherein the Chinese side, they transgressed into the Indian side transgressed into the Chinese side, and those transgressions, the issues were resolved after peaceful negotiation. Those negotiations were held at the local commander level. Local commander mean the lieutenant colonel or the colonel rank officer. They used to meet, and that escalation used to be de-escalated after those local commander level meeting. But now that this thing has dragged in for more than 2 months, because we know that this type of face-off, it started in the first week of April, and now the Indian side will in no uncertain term tell the Chinese counterpart that you have violated all the agreement and you need to move back. Yes, Shravan.
Well, thank you very much, Tejinder, for putting this into perspective. Hugely significant meeting that is underway as we speak right now. Co-commander level talks taking place at Moldo. This is the same very location where the previous co-commander talks took place on 6th of June, where a disengagement plan was basically drawn up by both the sides. But given the fact that thereafter, as Tejinder was also pointing out, multiple level of local commander level talks have taken place, yielding no result, if I may say so, because the disengagement plan wasn't really adhered to by the Chinese. It remains to be seen what exactly would India put forth on the table right now as far as China is concerned, and whether at all China too would essentially adhere to all the agreements that they have signed so far.